What's happening, everyone? We are doing a short little review of the REMETTE or QYGMGS, which is now rebranded to REMETTE. This is the GD22K. It's their tactical folding pocket knife in D2 steel. You have a nice coated Tanto blade there, very well finished. This knife comes in right around $35, and at its price point, that is a pretty good deal on this guy. You have G10 handles. I'm not sure if they have FRN labeled on the website. This might be an FRN material, but if it is FRN, it's very well finished to the point where it feels like G10. The liners are a little proud, which don't bother me one bit. You have pretty good access to that liner. Very well done. The flipper tab, you can light switch or you can push button it. Very good action. Ceramic ball bearings around the pivot there. You have a deep carry fold over steel clip with 2 T6 screws. You have a T8 pivot there and 1 T6 body screw on the show side. Very good action, very good flipper. Access is great. The blade came centered, very well done from REMETTE. There is no blade play side to side or up and down. You have about 40% lockup, which is very good. You want to have good lock face geometry there. The plunge grind is, it's pretty good. You're gonna have a little sharpening life in this guy. Pretty good though, in my opinion, for a $35 knife. The only thing that I would say is take the branding off the blade, which I believe they have now done. And otherwise, guys, for $35, at this price point, D2, the build quality, everything seems good to go to me in the early stages. Now, I just received this.
Its third quarter might look like. The film also fails to address.
I'll tell you what, the action on this knife is right up there with any of my other knives. Like, this is a $30 knife, 36 bucks. Let's see. Genie. Kaiser Genie, $80 knife. Right?
Speaking of the first nuclear
drop shot, right?
Tina Cordova of the Tularosa Basin downwind.
Just as, I mean, the action's just as good. Materials might be another thing, but it's a budget knife.
Just to give you context of the size, it's pretty good. And the action on this, someone said that it was tough to get out. Couldn't be further from the truth. Very easy, very quick. Looks like it's very good quality. Of course, I won't know for a couple months.